If you've ever tried to live with less, spend smarter, or simplify your life, you've probably heard the words minimalism and frugality used interchangeably. But here's the truth, they're not the same, and understanding the difference could completely shift the way you spend your time, money, and energy. Let's break it down. What is minimalism? Minimalism is about intentional living. It's the practice of owning less so you can focus more on what truly matters. It's not about deprivation, it's about clarity. Minimalist asks, does this add value to my life? Let's take an example. A minimalist might buy one $120 backpack that lasts 10 years instead of 4 cheap ones that fall apart. They may live in a small home, not because it's cheap, but because it's enough. It's not about price, it's about purpose. What is frugality? Frugality, on the other hand, is about saving money. It's a mindset that prioritizes financial efficiency, stretching every dollar as far as it can go. Core question frugal people ask, is this the best deal? Examples, a frugal person might buy items in bulk, use coupons, or choose the cheapest option, even if it's lower quality. They may buy secondhand not for aesthetic reasons, but because it's cheaper. It's not about how much you have, it's about how little you spend. Now, here's where it gets a little interesting. They can overlap. Examples of overlap. Buying secondhand, great for both frugal and minimalist values. Cooking at home saves money and supports a simpler life. Avoiding impulse purchases helps both your budget and your peace of mind. So yes, you can be both a minimalist and frugal, but the motivation is what separates them. On the other hand, sometimes minimalism and frugality actually conflict. Example, a minimalist might buy a $300 desk, but it's ergonomic, beautiful, and will last 15 years. A frugal person might choose a $50 desk, even if it wobbles, because it was on sale. Example, a minimalist might donate clothes to keep their closet light. A frugal person might hold on to them just in case, because they were expensive once. One is choosing quality and clarity, the other is choosing economy and utility. Both are perfectly acceptable. Now, the question is, which one are you? Or are you both? Ask yourself, do I spend less to save money or to simplify my life? Am I focused on financial freedom or freedom from stuff? Do I value getting a deal or having less noise in my life? There's no right answer. It's about being conscious of why you choose what you choose. In conclusion, minimalism is about creating space, frugality is about protecting your resources. When they work together, they can lead to a life that's both simple and smart. And that's all I have for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to live more intentionally, whether you're a minimalist or a frugal person, or both.